Innova sent me their thermal imaging camera for my review, and I've never tried something like this before, but of course I've seen it on TV, I've seen people use it. I think it's really cool and really wonderful. I'm gonna show you how it actually works, but this is the device right here, and what it is you've got that little screen, and yes, it is a camera, but it's a very special thermal camera. So it's not a camera that you're gonna be actually able to see things like a digital camera or your phone. It's mostly going to detect temperatures. So really, really low temperatures and really, really high temperatures. And the really cool thing is with this trigger, you've got a kind of a little laser. So at the same time, you're seeing the screen and the different temperatures going around, you can trigger a pinpoint location and it will give you the exact temperature of that. So what is this good for? Great for mechanics if you are trying to figure out which hose, which terminal is maybe malfunctioning. So overheating, you can literally go under your hood and see where your car is basically failing you. If you're in computer repair, if you're an electrician, really, really good to look at those solenoids, those transistors, and maybe you're gonna find something that's overheating that needs new gel, new transistor, for example, and then you can replace exactly the one you need to replace instead of doing the whole thing or kind of like working blind, which is what this is great for. It's gonna help you with so many different levels. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be like showing you. So it's really, really hard, but you can see some colors. It's all about colors. The bluer or the darker it is, the colder it is, and the almost over red and orange and almost like that white hot, the hotter it is, obviously. So I've got some ice cubes right here, and I've got a warm glass of water. So I wanna show you the ice cubes, for example. They're very black. And I'm targeting it, and it says minus 3.5 degrees in Celsius, by the way. So that is obviously frozen. But I'm gonna go and turn it all the way to this glass. Look at this glass. Hope you guys can see how orange and red it is. So I'm gonna go and target it, and the target is moving and finding the absolute closest to the center, actually the closest to the highest temperature, which is 56.8. So it's not boiling water, but it's definitely warm, very hot water, so perfect for tea and things like that. So you can see the difference. You can see how quick it is too. It does have a little alarm when it's actually found its target and giving you the result or the reading that you need. It does take batteries, exchangeable batteries just like this. The batteries do not come with it. It's 3 AAAs, but because it's not a camera in the camera sense with all the bells and whistles, of course, it's going to last you a lot longer with those 3 batteries. And the other cool thing too is that it has a memory set. So you could go and literally take snaps of a bunch of different jobs, for example, with the target temperatures on them and keep them on that memory, which is a great thing because then you can come back to your lab, back to your workplace and kind of like analyze all of this information. But yeah, Innova, this thermal imaging camera is the best.